I will do.
edəcəyəm.
English to Azerbaijani future, to do. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to time travel into the future tense? Let's make this fun and stress-free. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more bite-sized lessons and extras, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the Azerbaijani future of to do.
Edəcəyəm. Sən edəcəksən. O edəcək. Edəcəyik. Siz edəcəksiniz. Onlar edəcəklər.
Spoiler. Your future self high-fives you. Your goal today. You'll confidently say who will do what, without overthinking it. We focus on the verb, to do, equals.
Hazırlayır.
The future tense sticks to the stem, ed, plus endings, sim, sikazan, ck, siak, siksines, kalur. By the end, I will do, equals.
Edəcəyəm.
Will roll off your tongue. Future forms with rhythm. Clap or tap the table, feel the beat and repeat after me. I will do.
Edəcəyəm.
You, singular, will do.
Sən edəcəksən.
He will do.
O edəcək.
She will do.
O edəcək.
It will make.
O edəcək.
We will do.
Edəcəyik.
You, plural, formal, will do.
Siz edəcəksiniz.
They will do.
Onlar edəcəklər.
Now faster, your turn. Mini dialogues. Let's drop these into real talk, short, fun, and useful. A. Can you handle the dishes? B. Yes, I will do them.
Edəcəyəm.
A. If no one helps, who will finish it? B. You will do it.
Sən edəcəksən.
A. Can Ali fix the printer? B. He will do it.
O edəcək.
A. What about Sarah and the report? B. She will do it.
O edəcək.
A. Will this plan help? B. It will make a big difference.
O edəcək.
A. Team, tomorrow? B. We will do it together.
Edəcəyik.
A. Who will present? B. You, all, will do it.
Siz edəcəksiniz.
A. Can the volunteers finish the setup? B. They will do it.
Onlar edəcəklər.
Speed drills. You answer out loud. I'll give you a beat to think, go. Translate. I will do my homework. Answer. Tap sorajimi.
Edəcəyəm.
Quote. Translate. Tomorrow, you will do it. You equals singular. Answer. Saba.
Sən edəcəksən.
Quote. Translate. He will do everything. Answer. O her sei.
Edəcək.
Quote. Translate. We will do it together. Answer. Bunu berlicht.
Edəcəyik.
Quote. Translate. You, plural, will do the report. Answer. Hasabati.
Siz edəcəksiniz.
Quote. Translate. They will do what is necessary. Answer. Lazım olani.
Onlar edəcəklər.
Quote. Translate. If the plan works, it will make a big difference. Answer. Plan Isles, boyak fru.
Edəcək.
Quote. Culture tip from Baku. Sound natural and respectful when deciding who does what. Delegating clearly is appreciated. Saying you, plural, will do it, as a task assignment is.
Siz edəcəksiniz.
Often softened with zahmet olmasa, please.
Zəhmət olmasa siz edəcəksiniz.
Still friendly, still clear. Quiz time. Quick check, trust your gut. Q1, English. As, they will do it. A.
Onlar edəcəklər.
Dot quote. Q2, fill the blank, sababunu ______, we will do. A.
Edəcəyik.
Dot quote. Q3, which form means, you, singular, will do. A.
Sən edəcəksən.
Dot quote. Q4, true or false.
O edəcək.
Can mean, she will do. A. True. Q5, say, I will do, in Azerbaijani. A.
Edəcəyəm.
Dot quote. Your challenge plus goodbye. Before you go, let's lock it in. Create 3 promises for tomorrow using these.
Edəcəyəm. Edəcəyik. Onlar edəcəklər.
Say them out loud twice. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, share this episode with a friend who loves future tense glory, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more courses, drills, and laughs. This was Synapse Lingo. See you next time.